Hello guys, let's see how we can install a game on Steam. It's very simple. Let's find out first a free game. So down here, trending free, seems fine. I need something very light for this video, maybe Eidolon. Now let's go with Racoin. This is the game page. Let's stop the video. Okay, I can install the demo, it's fine. So I press install demo or add to library. Let's go to the library first. Yes. And now if I go to the library, you will find my game and I can press install here. It's very clear and big, or right click, install. Very simple. It will ask you where you want to install it. For now, I just have my Steam apps folder on the C drive, but you can change it if you have multiple disks like I do. So for now, this is fine. I press install. Let's check if you want to start menu shortcut or create desktop shortcut. For me, it's no. I press install and we are starting the download. So you will see the download. You can press it here or down here, how it's going. And once it's done, you can play it. I'll see you in my next Steam tutorial. Bye.